The Pythagoras theorem is by far the most important concept not only in triangles but also in the entire field of mathematics. To understand it, all we need to do is draw a right triangle. It is a triangle in which one angle is a right angle. What's so special about this triangle or this theorem? The first thing we need to understand is what the side opposite to the right angle is called. It's called the hypotenuse. The Pythagoras theorem says that the hypotenuse has a special relation with the other two sides. It tells us that the square of this length, that is the hypotenuse squared, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Remember, it holds true only in the case of a right triangle. So the theorem says that for any right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Let's say the lengths of the sides are A, B and C. C is the length of the hypotenuse. For this triangle, we can say that C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. If this is a right-angled triangle, the square of this length will always equal the sum of the squares of each of these lengths. This theorem has innumerable uses, so let's look at one in this video. Zara wanted to build a ramp leading from the ground to the back porch. The porch is 3 feet off the ground, and due to building regulations, the ramp must start 7 feet away from the base of the porch. How long will the ramp be? Using the Pythagoras theorem, we can say that the square of the length of this ramp will equal 3 squared plus 7 squared. The square root of this sum will give us the length of the ramp.